Hi everyone, welcome to Design Upgrade and thank you so much for tuning in. Just wanted to inform you that this video lesson is part of a larger online course, which actually itself is one of many other courses that you can find on our main site courses.design-upgrade.com. Hope to see you soon there, and now please enjoy the video and also leave a like and subscribe to the channel if you like the content. Hi everyone, welcome back to Design Upgrade, and in this brand new online course we will dive into object-based modeling inside the Grasshopper interface using recursions and loops with the Anemone plugin. In the first chapter I will get you up to speed and explain the fundamentals of recursive data flow. Starting with simple exercises, we will work ourselves towards a fun real estate calculator. Recursions allow you to define a method that can be called on itself, and we will explore the benefits of recursions for 3D modeling and custom visualize the iterated design cycles. In the final chapter, we will create a recursive method to subdivide polygons and map them onto surfaces to create intricate design studies which would be not achievable with the standard Grasshopper environment. Recursions and loops are one of my favorite topics for parametric modeling, and I can't wait to share these amazing design methods with you. So without further ado, let's get started and make some design upgrades.